So guys, new intro, check it out. Alright guys, so welcome back. I have not made a video in a very long time. I have been moving into the new crib. Here's the shed that was here on the property, but you know, it's kind of beat up and such. Well, kind of is not the word, but anyway, I cleared it out for the most part. I mean, it was really nasty and had a bunch of stuff in there, but anyway, I cleared it out for the most part. And put my business stuff in there, my signs and such. But out here, I mean, this is kind of nice. I don't have to pay storage fees anymore. But anyway, I still have some cleaning up to do. But got my barrels out here. There's my pump. I was cleaning out. So yeah, season has been picking up. On the books, I'm doing extremely well, like wow factor. I'm still humping the old rig. Still got Old Faithful on here and all this stuff I need to upgrade. I have not been using my soft wash system, so I took it off for now. I'm actually that's gonna be my first upgrades, is upgrading that. But just to answer a few questions from people who have been texting and calling me and stuff. This is a Simpson 4400 PSI pressure washer, 4 gallon per minute. I don't even know if I said it or not. But anyway, it's a direct drive. This right here is not a buffer tank. This is my batch tank for my soft wash system, 65 gallons. This is a 35 gallons of straight bleach. And down here I got the ball valve so I can fill up my house wash mix and all that stuff. But I have a hose, and I'll show you. My hose runs from the pressure washer to my reel. So this goes directly into the house. And this can also feed my batch tank and also flush out my soft wash system whenever I have it on there. Oh yeah, so yeah, this is the new crib. Cleaned the deck, by the way. But this is a rental. It's actually my cousin's out here in the boonies, which I love it. It's very nice and peaceful. Me and the old lady and my little girl moved out here. We were building a house, so in less than a year we'll be out of here. But you know, I like it. Cheap rent, nice and quiet. Got this little bit of land. That's gonna be gone tomorrow. It's not mine. But anyway, what was the point of this video? Oh yeah, I guess just to talk whatever. But anyway, I had a great day at work. I closed about, not bragging, so don't say it. No, I'm not even gonna tell you what I closed, but I closed a good amount of work. Got more estimates tomorrow. I'm getting about 2 or 3 estimates a day. Celebratory Corona. God, I love Corona. Anyway, celebratory, say that fast. Celebratory drinks tonight. All right. So, yeah, having a beer, enjoying myself, waiting on the old lady to get home so she can cook me dinner because I don't want to. No, I'm just kidding. But anyway, that's what I have going on. I hope everyone is having a great start to a early season. I didn't put that on there today. But I am definitely going to be hiring. You can tell I've had a brain injury because I can't talk worth a damn anymore. For those who don't know, I'm going to show you now. Right here. This is July 8th, 2018. I got into a major accident. I lost the use of my legs. I have, God, what do you call them? I have rods in all 4 extremities. I have fake joints, fake knee, fake elbows, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, yeah, I have all that. here's a picture of me relearning to walk. And here is a photo of me now after hustling and hitting the gym and all that good stuff. So yeah, that's that. That is the whole reason I got into pressure washing, because I could no longer wear a uniform. I wore a uniform since I was 18 years old. It's pretty much all I knew. But yeah, that's why I pressure wash now. I don't climb ladders though. I have hired, I don't know how to say this. My buddy Jimmy climbs ladders for me. He'll work for me and I'll pay him, you know, to clean gutters or whatever, or wash a roof. But anyway, totally lost my train of thought. I don't know. Anyway, I'm just giving you guys an update for those who care about my life. I don't know. This is my first beer, I swear. Anyway, you guys have a great day. Hope you're having a great season so far. Yeah, that's it. All right, take care.